Aminin na natin, tayong mga Pinay, vain talaga tayo when it comes to our hair. We want our hair to really be shiny and healthy. I choose Pantene Total Hair Conditioner. Meron kasi siyang proving formula for smoother, more nourished hair. That's up to 50% shinier. Kaya, hindi na po gagamit ang iba. Talaga yung world's #1 conditioner now. Shine Oil is 100% conditioner from Pantene. Still with 5 pesos.
Start your day great with Big Jollibee sausage and get hungry out. Thank you. Hey, have a great day.
Ano ba tayo doon?
Masarap na kahit saan.
Okay na, tara yan. Kahit wala ko na ng sorry, kahit na nagagaling sa pag-ibig. Nalang tawa, wala na, di amoy gasa, sigaw, ikaw sa hinda ko lang, nakakala. It's okay. Add a little more. Coffee Mate has 0 grams trans fat for coffee that's richer, creamier. For more moments made perfect. From Nestle.
Ito like a chibi-chibi pero Dali. Ito like a chibi-chibi pero Dali. Akala mo, pipicturean kita.
Bisa na ba mong ba yung short ko mali?
Alin?
Yung may bukas black.
Hindi yata nasampay.
Wala ka ba nasa